Oh, testing, testing. Okay, so let's quickly be done with the final part. The final part, just very simple. Okay, now final part we're going to talk about money market equilibrium. Okay, again, remember equilibrium is the point when demand and supply they intersect each other. Okay, now here what it means is that equilibrium interest rate. Now this is the interest point. We want to look at interest rate. Okay, now it's determined by the interaction of money demand and money supply. Now graphically, okay, this is stupid. Okay, now this is very stupid. You already know it. Now first, quantity of money here, right? Now nominal interest rate. Remember we talk about money demand being like this, right? This is our money demand. Now, money supply this time is a little bit different. It's not upward sloping. 嗱，唔係向上斜嘅，得唔得？嗱 the reason is simple because money supply is here. MS determined by central basically central bank. Think of it as central bank or government, right? Therefore, the nominal interest rate cannot affect money supply. In fact, it's just the opposite. By changing money supply, they can change the interest rate. Okay, 嗱，所以記住啦 ，MS 打直嘅 because it is determined by central bank. Okay, independent of other things. Okay, so this point will be our equilibrium interest rate. Just like that, nothing special. Okay, 冇特別㗎啦，真係咁㗎咋。Okay, now, like we used to say, demand increase, interest rate increase, quantity increase, decrease. Now, supply, just like you learn in demand and supply, supply 都係咁嘅啫。Okay, now, money supply increase, interest rate decrease. Q increase, of course, right? Decrease, increase. Now, this is exactly the same. Okay, exactly the same as your demand supply chapter. 係嘛？我唔講啦。Okay, now concerning this topic, there are actually only two questions that I can find that are relevant to our discussion, that are only talking about money demand and money supply. Okay, let's see here. 好嘛，望望啦。嗱。The diagram below shows a practice paper, okay? Shows the money demand and money supply curve, okay? Original, 0, 0. Okay, now suppose national income increases. Now, national income increases. Now, remember, right? Income increase. 記住有一句，有錢就是任性，係咪？ Now, with more income, you want to use more money, right? So basically, both MT and MA would increase. Money demand would increase to here, MD2. Okay? Government carries out an open market purchase. 嗱，記住啦 ，purchase. Central bank pay money to public, meaning money supply increases. Now, therefore, we are going to MS1. Here, MS1, MD1, point A would be the new equilibrium. 嗱，真係咁咋，冇特別㗎啦，冇其他巧妙㗎啦。Okay? Now, again, let's try one more. Money supply. Also, E is the original. Right? Now, let's see what's going on. Risk of holding other interests, right? Increase. Risk of others increase, so hold less others. When I hold less other, 我唔揸咁多其他嘢，咪揸多啲錢咯，係咪啊？ Hold more money. Now, therefore, MA increases. 嗱，而家 MA 咪升咗啦。Therefore, we are talking about MD1. Okay? Now, central bank reduce discount rate. 好啦，記住啦 ，what happens here? When rate decreases, borrowing would increase. 喂，啲利息低咗，我係咪借多啲錢啊？借多嗱， like you already know from the last video, right? Last two videos, when there are more borrowings, 當借錢越多啦 money supply 咪上升咯. So we talk about MS1. Again will be at 8. Alright? Really? That's it. No more. 係㗎啦，呢個 equilibrium 其實都真係一個講字㗎咋 ，OK？ 嗱 ，unfortunately in DSE they do not spend a lot of time, not a lot of questions on the equilibrium because it's not important to be completely honest, OK？ Now what's the important point is about money supply because in the real world 嗱講得真實世界啦 ，OK？ Now in the real world remember, OK？ Now this is not in your syllabus, but I feel that I should tell you, OK？ Now, in the real world, money demand is not something you can control, okay? Instead, money supply is the things that you control. Now, for example, you know, in the US, the Federal Reserve, 係咪啊？嗰個聯邦儲備局啦 they always say we need to set a so-called target interest rate, right? How do they achieve this? By simply printing money. Okay? So, money supply is actually the more important one. Later on, in later chapters, which we definitely will take after ADAS because your holiday has just been extended, okay? We definitely will talk about. In fact, money supply, by manipulating money supply, we call this so-called monetary policies, which is a big part in DSE exam. Okay, so that will be all I have to say for chapter 20. Please do take some time to digest the videos. Okay, now if there is any question, don't hesitate to WhatsApp me or call me, anything. Okay, again, for this holiday, stay hard work and most importantly, stay safe, stay healthy. All right, I see you again in ADAS chapter. Bye bye.